Planning Analytics Workspace is one of the easiest dashboard builders in the market right now. And I'm not even joking. Even my mate Garry from sales can build it. Hi, my name is Adam and I will share my experience using and building dashboard on IBM Planning Analytics Workspace. In this video, I will cover what I think is the basic building blocks of Planning Analytics Workspace dashboard components. They are books, application, and plans. Now let's start with books. Planning Analytics Workspace books, or PAW books in short, are just like your canvas. Here you can put your tables from cube views, web sheets, and charts. You can also add widgets such as text, image, video, web link, or action button. Just like any other books, PAW books have pages, or tabs as it calls it. Tabs work similarly to sheets in a spreadsheet. You can create multiple pages in a book, all of which can be authored to be a professional looking dashboard, such as this one. Very cool, isn't it? I bet you can build a better one that I have here. I will talk more about these book components in the next video. Now we have the book set up, we can share it with our team. To manage and organize books, we can put them either inside a PAW application or plans. Let's start with application. I use application to group my planning analytics assets such as books, cube views, web sheets in sections. There is no hard and fast rule about the groupings. It can be based on functions or company structure. In this case, I created a board review pack for shareholders to see. Administrator can set security for applications so that the non-relevant users won't be able to access it. They can also deactivate the application, which prevents any users from accessing it. Now, if you need your application to do more than just groupings, say you need a workflow that can do submission approval and rejection or setting deadlines for a particular activity, you might need to create a plan. With plan, you can set deadlines for certain activities, see the completion status of tasks, and set submission, approval, and rejection structure. You can design dependencies between plans and set announcement to all the contributors. Let's see the plan I built for gross margin. In this plan, local companies must submit their sales figures into cube views by uploading it. When all company submissions are completed, submissions will then get approved or rejected by the reviewer. Throughout the process, we can monitor its status. Now we know a bit more about Planning Analytics Workspace basic building blocks. In the next video, I will talk more about objects within the books and how to create them. Don't forget to subscribe to be updated about more Planning Analytics on Cloud content. This is Adam for Aramar, signing out.